All right, guys, welcome to a new daily recap. Let's do a quick one. I'm exhausted again. I think it's because of the weather or something, but let's dig into it. I want to head to bed. I need to sleep. I need to rest. Otherwise, I can't keep up this pace. So, very straightforward. I'm only gonna do EU. Maybe we can look at GU as well. GU is looking good though. Damn, nice. Anyway, EU. So we had this range, this bearish range, and we were looking for sells up here. I think there were actually longs, so we're gonna first look at the longs if there were any long trades. We came below Asia low. You can see that we took this low as liquidity. We had this bearish break over here, bullish continuation, and then we had this bullish internal range, and you can actually look for longs with the idea of longs into shorts. So if you go into replay mode, let me actually remove some of those. Oh, I can't. So I took that liquidity over there, coming to the discount of the bullish range, and we look to enter from here. Now we can already see we have early buyers. So first thing, high, low, lower, high, low, low, low. Okay, bullish break here. Early sellers, early buyers, my bad. Early buyers down, bullish break, and supply zone. That's your long trade using my way. Now, different types of entry. You can also use this is your entry. You got the fair value gap over here as well. A very nice addition to that as well. Otherwise, you can just enter from here. A18 is slightly large, especially with this liquidity over here internally to that range. So nice long is just from either on that liquidity or just see how strong pushes down. I'll just enter on this, stop loss on there. Below that, 5.2, 5.7, 5.6, so it's all right. And then you go break even after reaching above Asia highs. Yep, you go break even after reaching Asia highs. Just to be sure. And then over here, you can choose to take partials. Or you just let it run to 1 to 4. So you let it run, let's say let it run to 1 to 4. Nice trade. Now then, second thing is, what does it look like on the 50-minute? Great. You can see that doji candle after taking that liquidity, indicating a potential turnaround, not saying that it will turn around, just indicating that we got that slowdown, a potential liquidity grab, and then nice push to the upside. Now then, the short area where we were looking, or I was looking to trade from. We can see our early sellers over here. Let's take off this, all this. This one, yeah, let's remove that one as well. Oh, I removed the early sellers. Anyway, so you got your early sellers over here. This was my forecast arrow. You can see we have a break over here. And we actually got multiple 1-minute breaks. Also this one. So we got actually 2 breaks. Now let's look in the 5-minute if we get it, if it's more visible. Not really 1-minute break, however, 50-minute supply zone reaching to the 50%. So we can look for 1-minute breaks. And this is where your entry comes from, of course. Over here, 9.686. This one is looking a little bit better. Why? Because for that short, this is your internal range liquidity. Short from here, you can just pause it and look at it. a little more intricately. So 5.2, 5.7 again. This one's just looking a little bit better, if you ask me. And then targeting that low. It doesn't give you 1 to 4 though, so it's a bit unfortunate. If you slightly slip it, you can get that 1 to 4, but no, this one doesn't give you that 1 to 4. So that's D trade, another trade, and then this is where I would have been caught off guard, but I don't trade New York, so I would not be caught off guard. And see how we took these lows. So we got a high, high, low, high, low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. So if you just follow that structure, if you like to do that, you can see that price takes this into range liquidity. High, low, get your early buyers here, taking out this one. Then you get your bullish break. Nice. Bullish break. You get your entry zone. Buy. Trade. So this one's actually good. There you go. Slightly larger stop though, but it's all right. And this one, nice trade. And you can actually target previous daily highs. I think there was news today, so it smashes up. Nice. And it reaches without reaching the discount pricing, it reaches higher. And as I said yesterday, in my recap, if we just reach higher without reaching those discounts, it just indicates that price wants to come up here. And for DXY, that means that, yeah, there you got it already. Oh, it's over here. So that red structure here might not hold on, but we will see. Yeah, sorry, it's a bit quick recap. We now reach into this supply zone. Looking at higher time for candles, actually London was very choppy. Not the cleanest. The sell, if you ask me, was the highest probability following that structure targeting here. In premium pricing of this red range, knowing that we want to achieve discount on this blue range as well. And the only thing against our trade is the most major range. Well, we got a couple minor ranges, or the most major blue structure here, but we got a couple minor structures that were not just one, but a couple structures that were pro bias, if to say it like that. So that's all right. Then over here we got DXY, and we can actually see that this was what I'm hoping, what I was hoping for to come below here and then get that move. And I said in my pre-market analysis, that just because we already came below here, we just might move up instantly, but news just flipped on us. So nothing there. Now GU looking very good. Not respecting this area. I don't know if there was news. I didn't look at it. But you can see, 100% there was news. Frankfurt open. That spike, then turn around. Nice. So we are below old lows again. Taking previous day low. Beautiful trades for New York. The longs, as I said over here, look, I said that he might look for longs from this area. Look where he tapped in, got that break. I'm not gonna mark out the long. You can just do it yourself. Came up, and that's where the trade came from. Nice, clean. Oh, we like it. All right, sorry. This is it. All right, gotta go. It's only 10:30, but with this weather. I don't know. All right, peace out, guys.